Hey everybody, let's get started on this amazing sandwich. You know, I work at the Wynn as a casino dealer, and all I hear about is this sandwich from the Jardin Restaurant, which is the prime rib melt with au jus. Everybody raves about it, so I decided, you know what? A lot of you can't make it out to Vegas. I'm going to make it here on the channel so you can have this awesome sandwich at home without having to come to Vegas. All right? How's that sound? Let's get started. So, we got to make the au jus first. So for that, we're going to need 2 white onions that I've peeled and cut up. I've got about 10 cloves of garlic that I've also peeled and crushed just a little bit so the flavors come out. Put that into the pan as well. Just like that. I've got 2 bay leaves I'm going to pop in there. And now I've got 3 beef shanks that I'm going to put in right on top. And this is where the flavor is going to come from. All that beef and that bone marrow. So we'll put those on top. Then we're going to hit them with some salt and pepper. Oh, before we do that, we've got the herbs, which parsley, rosemary, and thyme. Then we're going to come back with a lot of ground pepper and salt. There we go. Now once we get this all seasoned up, we're going to tightly cover it with aluminum foil. We don't want anything to leak out. None of those steam to leak out of here. And then we're going to pop this into the oven at 280 degrees. And we're going to let that go for 3 hours. While I'm doing that, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. Tell your friends and family all about us. And I appreciate you all very much. So we'll pop that in there. 280 degrees. 3 hours. And boom, we'll pull it right out. And don't burn yourself taking the foil off because it is hot. Here we go. Look at that. Oh, that is some beautiful au jus. So we're going to take that meat out. We'll save that for something later on. And then we're going to take as much of the big chunks of onion out that we can. And then I'm going to take some cheesecloth, or if you have a super fine metal strainer, that will work as well. And we'll put that over a large glass container. And once we get everything out of this pan, we'll pour the au jus through there so nothing comes through. It'll just be pure au jus. Or beef broth, however you want to call it. There we go. I just carefully pour that through. It'll strain nice. And that is nothing but pure flavor right there. Now, I've got some thick, rustic sourdough bread. I've got some shaved prime rib beef. I mean, this stuff is super thin. So I've got my griddle on 300 degrees. And we're going to start by cooking this meat. We'll season it with a little salt and pepper, and that's about it. The 2 cheeses that we're going to use are a cheddar and Havarti cheese. So we'll get that meat working, and we're going to take some melted butter, and we're going to put some melted butter right on the top of the griddle. And then we'll put our 2 slices of sourdough bread down and get that started. And then we're going to put cheddar on 1 slice of bread and Havarti on the other slice of bread. There we go. That was the cheddar. Here comes the Havarti. And that bread is going to slowly toast up, start to melt down that cheese. And then we're going to put our meat right on top of the Havarti cheese. Now we'll put the lid on. We still got a ways to go on toasting the top. So we're going to brush a little bit more butter on top of this. And then we'll flip it over and let it continue to toast. And then we'll do the other side. And it'll be time to slice this sucker up, dip it in our au jus, and give it the taste test, and it is fabulous. This is the Jardin prime rib melt at the Wynn Las Vegas. Now you can make it at home. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. And remember, hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes, and leave a comment if you can. I appreciate you very much.